So recently, I discovered shoe goo as opposed to like super glue or wood glue. By the way, these are expired, so I couldn't use them. I'm very glad I finally discovered shoe goo because I use this to repair the midsole, which is falling apart, tearing apart in the seam down here from the Nike Air unit right there. This is the Nike Air More Up Tempo sandals. I wore this to the YMCA, and because of the chlorine and the harmful chemicals in the pool, over time it pretty much dissolved the glue that was used for the sole. So today I have a special experiment. I'm going to test it out to see. Now we do know that it works with synthetic materials such as rubber, okay, for shoes. But will it work against plastic and wood? So let's say if I break this spoon apart, okay. Now I'm going to try to repair with the shoe goo. Now the shoe goo, what's the difference between this and super glue is that shoe goo gives you a flexibility type of attachment, okay? Because the super glue is more rigid, and over time it becomes brittle. All right, so I'm gonna let that set, okay? And by the way, this is clear. It should dry in about 3 to 4 hours, but for shoes, they recommend it to be like 24 hours. Here's the seam. Okay, I can already feel the kind of bonding right here. Okay, I'm gonna let that rest right here while I move on to my wood experiment because it's flat. So I'm gonna let that lay flat right there. So here's the second issue. You see this carpet molding, carpet trim down here? All right. So this one broke apart. See right here? So I need to repair it. So let's see if it works on wood. So let's go ahead and apply a generous amount. The thing about wood is it's porous, so I imagine it will work better than plastic and other type of surfaces. Give it a good generous amount. Okay. That's good right there. We will let that set and not touch it, ideally for 24 hours. Okay, that's good. All right, it's the following day. Let's see how this spoon turned out. Look at that's solid right there. Let's see if we can pick up some items with this. This cork. No problem. It's not breaking. How about this ping pong right here? Okay, that's good. Football. Getting heavier. What about this 2.2 full ounce stainless steel container? Oh, it's holding its weight. This goes to show it's a solid bound. One last test. I'm going to attempt to break it and we'll see where it breaks. Okay. Obviously, it would be at the joint. All right. But we know that that's good enough for a spoon. All right. Let's take a look at the molding. That looks like it's solid. One final test. Let's go ahead and close the door. A couple more tries. A little bit more rougher. See, hitting the molding, and it's still on. So, as it goes to show, the shoe goo is an excellent type of adhesive to repair shoes and other type of surfaces. It goes to show it does its job exceptionally well. Highly recommended.